Do you sometimes speak or write in English and wonder if your sentence sounds right? Well, you're not alone. Even advanced learners make small mistakes that can completely change the meaning. In today's lesson, we're gonna look at some of the most common English sentence mistakes and, more importantly, how to fix them, from grammar slips to word order problems. I'll show you clear examples and easy corrections so you can sound more confident and natural when speaking English. The last sentence is a little bit tricky. It confuses even advanced learners. So stay tuned and let's get it started. Can you spot the mistake here? We cleaned all the kitchen while our parents were out to dinner. This is wrong. Guess what? The mistake is all. We cleaned all the kitchen. So some changes must be done on this sentence, whether we change all or we change the kitchen. Why? Because all is used for plural nouns and or uncountable nouns. So all is used for plurals and uncountable nouns. And as you can see, the kitchen here is singular, so it doesn't fit in this sentence. Okay? You see the kitchen? It's one kitchen, and all is used with plural nouns or uncountable. Kitchen is countable noun and it's singular. So how to fix this? Very easy. Use the whole or the entire, because the whole or the entire is used for singular countable nouns. The whole or the entire is used for countable singular nouns. So that's the thing about it. All what you need to do is look at the noun first. If the noun is singular, don't use all, because all is used with uncountable nouns and plural countable nouns. All right? So how to fix this sentence? This sentence should sound something like this. We cleaned the whole kitchen while our parents were out to dinner. Or we cleaned the entire kitchen while our parents were out to dinner. And there you are. You're good to go. Well done. Move on to another sentence. Sentence 2 for today. And the sentence says, if I'm not relaxed, I tend to have problem to fall asleep. If I'm not relaxed, I tend to have problem to fall asleep. What's the problem? The problem is problem. It's a problem to say, I tend to have problem to fall asleep. Why? Simply because it's not common in English to use the word problem with sleeping. Not common in English to use the word problem in such context. So how can I express myself? Here is how to correct this sentence. Use trouble. Use a hard time. If I'm not relaxed, I tend to have trouble to fall asleep. Or if I'm not relaxed, I tend to have a hard time to fall asleep. This is a singular, as you can see, trouble, hard time. You can make it plural. Just add as to troubles, remove a, and add as to time. Sentence number 3. One of the most important issue is communication. This is the trickiest sentence for today. One of the most important issue is communication. This is wrong. It sounds correct. Why the problem is issue? Why? One of the. It means something out of many things. One out of the plus plural noun, because we are selecting one out of many. Okay, one of the students, one of the problems. So it's one out of group, out of many. Okay, and here it means one issue out of many issues. Here is how to correct it. Just add s of the plural noun. One of the most important issues is communication. And keep is, don't think issues, it's plural, so we need to put are. No, it's is. Why? Because we are talking about one important issue out of many issues. So is refers to one. It doesn't refer to issues. It refers to one of them only. Which one? As the sentence says, the one which is the most important issue. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly share it with your friends, comment and subscribe if you are new to our channel. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks again, and don't forget to keep learning, keep vibing with Ink Vibes. Till the next time, take good care of yourselves. Bye bye.